is for apple.
ABC, come sing with me. Learning letters as easy as can be.
B is for
Clap
ball.
your hands and tap your feet. Let's make the alphabet sound so sweet.
C is for cat.
D is for apple, red and bright.
D is for
Take
dog.
a big bite, tasty delight. E is for ball, bouncing high. Catch it quick as it touches the
E is for
sky.
elephant.
C is for cat with a soft little mew, playing all day with
F
a
is for
ball of
fish.
blue. D is for dog, wagging his tail, running around on the forest
G is for goat.
trail. LBC, come sing with me.
H is for hat.
Learning letters as easy as can be. Clap your hands and tap your feet. Let's make
I is for ice cream.
so sweet. E is for
J is for jam.
big and strong, swinging his trunk as he walks along.
K
F
is for kite.
fish in the deep blue sea, swimming around so happily.
L is for lion.
G is for goat on the grassy hill, jumping and hopping with so
M is for
much
mango.
thrill. H is for hat you wear on your head, keep it on tight so it won't fall ahead.
N is for nest.
ABC, come sing with me.
O is for orange.
Easy as can be. Clap your hands and tap your feet.
P is for parrot.
Alphabet sounds so sweet.
Q is for
I
queen.
is for ice cream, cold and sweet, a yummy summertime treat.
R is for rabbit.
J is for jam on a slice of bread, strawberry or mango yum.
S is for sun.
Enough said. K is for kite flying
T
so
is for
high,
tiger.
dancing and twirling up in the sky. L is for
U
lion,
is for umbrella.
loud, roaring boldly, king of the crowd.
V is for van.
ABC, come sing with me. Learning letters
W is for watch.
clap your hands and tap your feet. Let's make the alphabet
X is for xylophone.
N is for mango, juicy
Y is for yellow.
summer fruit that tastes just right. N is for nest in the tall green tree.
Z is for zebra.
Home for a bird family. O is for orange, round
1,
and sweet, healthy, juicy, fun to eat.
2,
P is for parrot, green and neat, talking softly, hello,
3,
sweet tweet. ABC,
4,
sing with me. Learning letters as easy as can be.
5,
Leave your hands and tap your feet. Let's
6,
make the alphabet sound so sweet.
7,
Q is for queen
8,
in a royal gown, smiling gently as she walks through town. R is for rabbit with
9,
a fluffy tail, hopping happily on the forest
10,